So Kirk's asleep, and I'm gonna videotape him because he's snoring.
I'll go back to bed. If I start and sit down to write, I'm gonna be up for a bit, and there's a good chance I'm not gonna fall back asleep. If you wake up in the middle of the night.